All right, so let's look at number 20. Okay, so the first one asks, what do I get if I take the product function, f times g of x? Right, so that's A. What is the product function of this? Well, this is going to be like x plus 1 over x minus 1 times 1 over x, which I pretty much could simplify to x plus 1 over x squared minus x. My domain restriction here, this one's going to cause a problem at 1, that's going to cause a problem at 0. So the domain here is going to be the set of all x such that x is not equal to 1 and x is not equal to 0. All right, so let's look at part B. We have f of g of x, so this is composition. So we're going to stick the g inside the f. So I'm going to get 1 over x plus 1 over 1 over x minus 1. This is again going to give me a problem at negative 1, or sorry, at 1. So if I put 1 in there, I'm going to have a denominator at 0 in the bottom. It also gives me a problem at 0 because the 1 over x's can't happen when I have 0, right? So that would cause me a problem there. So it's going to have the same domain. Okay, so numerator, I can make this 1 plus x over x, right? Denominator, I can make 1 minus x over x. So this is 1 plus x over x times x over 1 minus x. Those fall out. Makes it 1 plus x over 1 minus x. On the domain again, x such that x is not equal to 1. And x is not equal to 0. All right, so that's B. Let's look at C. C does f composed with itself. So I think this time we're only going to have a domain restriction on 1, but we'll take a look at why that is. So this is x plus 1 over x minus 1, which gives me a restriction at 1, plus 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1 minus 1. So the only domain restriction I'm going to have here is when x is 1, right? Okay, so let's do a little bit of clearing this up. This is going to give me x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over, plus x minus 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1 minus x plus 1 over x minus 1, which becomes, let's see, x and x is 2x, and then these are going to cancel, and that's just going to become 2. So this thing is x, so long as x does not equal 1. Right? So there you have it. That's problem number 20.